Hey, what's going on, guys? Patrick Robertson back here at Momentous Building. Today, some fall tips to get your house ready for the winter. We're all the way into November, and the leaves are pretty much fully fallen at this point up here in New York. And there's something really, really important that I see time and time again when I show up to homeowners' houses, and that's cleaning out your gutter. Cleaning out your gutter is something that should be done every single fall, and quite frankly, should be routinely checked throughout the summer, because there's some key reasons and problems that could happen when your gutter fails, when it's clogged up, and these different items. So we're gonna dive into that right now in this video, and it's such a silly thing, but it's very, very important. So there's three key reasons why you need to clean out your gutter. First, as the leaves start to fall, they actually start to clog up the gutter that you typically see running on the edge of the house. Now, when that happens, the water can actually run over the front, it won't drain out as well, and you're going to have some issues. This might actually pull the gutter off the side of your house if there's enough rain. So, issue number two, as the leaves start to pile up, they go down what's called a downspout. The downspout carries the water down the gutter and out away from your house. It typically goes underground. Now, if the leaves go down there, over time they might erode and then turn into dirt, but over the years, especially if you have walnuts and these different things falling into them, it will clog the downspout. It will clog the drains that go underground. Now you're looking at a couple grand fix to have a snaking company come out here and pull it and flush it out, because if those drains aren't cleared, that water is going to pool up around your foundation wall of your house and cause leaking in your basement time and time again. We have seen this happen, so it's vitally important. We want to run away. We don't want to let this happen. And the third reason why you want to have the gutters perfectly clean going into the winter is because the snow coming and the melting. If the leaves are in there, they're going to cause drainage problems. They're also going to cause the snow to build up. Some of it will melt, and then it'll turn into ice, and what you see is that the water doesn't properly drain out as it melts. So what happens is the ice builds up, it goes and goes and goes. Sometimes you see icicles on your gutters, but the problem happens when that ice builds up so much and it overfills, it actually rips the gutter off the side of your house. We all know how heavy water can be if you just pick up a gallon of water at the grocery store. Well, imagine you having tens of gallons of water in the form of ice sitting in your aluminum gutter. Gutters aren't made to support that much weight. They're made to support some ice, some load, but when they're billowing over with ice, that's an issue. And then, in the summer as it goes along, you're going to end up running into issue number two of the leaves clogging up your downspouts as they erode. So, right now we're going to show you some clogged up gutters and what you want to run away from. We're also going to show you some information on what a gutter actually is, the different parts of it, and what you got to be mindful of. So, we're up on the roof right now, and here is on a roof what is called a valley, where the two hips of a roof meet. This is a copper valley, and the W flange is actually the best way to do a roof. And look what we have here. All these leaves jammed up in here. And look, you can see right here, look at this dirt. This is actual dirt from leaves piling up. And the water's not going to drain out of here at all. Look at that. There's dirt all the way down here. These gutters probably have not been cleaned all year long, or maybe even for a year. And maybe even from last year. So what we see right here, this is the actual gutter. And this is a white aluminum gutter attached to the fascia of your house, the fascia boards of your roof. And as we go over here, we can see the pipe coming down out of the gutter. This is your leader drain, and these go down the side of your house. And typically, sometimes they flow out right outside on the ground. But most of the time, the better way to do it is they go in the pipe and out away from your house. This brings the water away from your foundation, away from your house, to not allow any leaks going on. So some just a little basics of some gutters. Definitely got to get these gutters cleaned out. We're probably going to do this today. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. I hope you guys learned something. As always, we're just here to help, provide some tips and tricks to help educate the homeowners about the construction industry, the construction trades, and what you got going around on your house. So, if this helped you at all, please give us a like. And talk to you soon. Leave your comments below if you want to see anything else or have any other questions regarding your home. Take care, guys.